Hello? Oh no. Oh, that's so loud. Hi. My god. So, I'm just gonna turn my mic down, way down. Okay, so, I have an explanation for why things are scuffed. I had to reinstall Windows. Hi. Wait. I'll fix the audio in a second. Wait, give me a moment. It's pretty bad. It sounds very crunchy. Wait, why is it so wrong? Oh no. Like, give me a second. I need to fix this. It's horribly wrong. Properties. Okay. It's on the right mic. Oh my goodness, why is it so bad? Wait, why does it sound so crunchy? Just so loud. Okay, wait. Hello, testing? This does not sound right. I can hear myself. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh no, it's so much worse. Why is it so loud? Hello. Testing. It just doesn't want to work properly. Hello. There we go. Okay. The gain was turned all the way up. There we go. It should be better. It was compressing it like super hard, so we were just like getting actually destroyed. Our ears were getting tickled. Wait, let me turn it down a little bit. There we go. Testing. Okay. That's a lot better. That is a lot better, I think. Wait. Keep testing it. It should be on the right settings now. We should be good. Okay. How's everyone doing? How's it going? We have emotes now. On the Twitch side, at least. It's very cool. What do you mean, check Kofi? Wait, did a notification not go through? Wait. Wait, why didn't the notification go through? Wait, when was this? Thank you very much. The $10, man. When was this? Oh, this was 2 days ago? Thank you very much, man. And no problem. We didn't finish it. I didn't finish teaching you about gravity. Alright. Hello. Pain is gonna drive me bonkers. It's all the way down, but it just doesn't matter. Okay. Oh my goodness, why is it just so wrong? Yeah, I had to reinstall Windows, so things are just scuffed. You somewhat understand it more. Good. Okay, I'm turning the gain down a little bit. Okay, wait, like that? Hello? Okay. Maybe that's better? We're gonna go with that right now. It's not quite peaking the mic anymore. That's good. Okay. So, we're gonna be working on the enemy AI some more today. So, we got it moving last time, which that was big, but better than before. Okay, good. Can you guys hear the desktop audio and stuff? Whoa. Can you guys hear the music? Why is it so crunchy? Oh. Okay, wait. Hello? Maybe it's better now. I think I just need to turn it down a little bit. I'm gonna turn that down a little bit too. Okay, you can hear the music. Good. Alright. I'm not gonna touch anything else. I think we're okay. I think we're living. Did I just fire a bolt and that just came? What in the world? Oh. I gave the enemy an arm.
Alex or something
that's horrible.
1234 through 100 shinies. Cheer 100, I must take back my crown.
You have your crown. Here's your crown, King. Thank you very much for the 100 bits. Oh no, wait. Game center. That's why I need to change. Thank you very much for the 100 bits. I appreciate it. Okay, let's do more like that. Then I need to change these. This is just wrong. Where? It's this. It's the player aim script. I'm gonna remove that, and we're gonna remove the pistol in hand script. Maybe we don't need to. That's so weird. Okay. Got some channel points. Yeah, I think you get channel points for the first bit donation that you do of the month. So if I throw... Oh no, that thing's moving. I thought I was moving. I was losing my mind. How can I generalize this script? I think I just need to create a different pistol script. And a different throwable script. And the first gift sub. Yeah, I don't... Twitch is weird. I thought that you got one for all of them. I thought you got it for every single one, but apparently not. It's only for, like, the first that month. Which I guess makes sense. Okay, so I need to make... Or I need to generalize the pistol in hand script and also the throwable in hand. Or I just need to make an enemy throwable in hand, which is probably going to be easier. So I'm probably just going to do that, because if I try to generalize, it's going to get weird. Character change? No. So, this is the player character. This is an enemy. And the player should be able to shoot the enemy. This is an AI. But currently, it doesn't really do much. It kind of just walks back and forth. But we're trying to get that to work. But right now, because the way that I have it set up, the event system is still interacting with this. So whenever I pick something up or throw it, it's throwing it for both arms. Which is not what I want. So I need to just change that. I'm just gonna remove the components from both of these. And now, yeah, so it's no longer doing that. So what we need to do is we need to... would it be in the... Yes, pistol and hand script. Where are we? Wait. What did I call this? Where did I put this? Enemies? Gun? It's not in gun, it has to be in player. Welcome, Darth. How are you doing? I saw some of the screenshots that you sent in for Godsend. It's looking good, man. Look at this. Look. That's awesome. It's looking a lot better. Didn't like your old username, so you change it, then Twitch. That would be hilarious to make it so you can only change the capitalization of your name. Yeah, that's just how Twitch does it. It's weird. It's just a doodle. Is this how it's working now? Like, is this how the generation is working? Or did you place all those yourself? Okay. Trying to figure out how I can generalize this. I also need to find the pistol script in the actual hierarchy. The pistol in hand. Where did I put this? I only have so many options. It's not in projectiles. Where's the player? It's called pistol. What? No, that's not what I want. Where did I put this? There's gun, which that's where pistol is. So this is, I need to copy this and make an enemy pistol. Rename. I just need to actually not do it that way. That's gonna lead to some weird things. So yeah, I'm gonna delete that. That's not by hand. You don't think the city needs to be generated. It's not in the basic idea. Okay, so it's by hand. Yeah, I did. I got 100 followers. It's awesome, man. You guys are awesome. You guys make streaming pretty fun. Okay, what is... Okay, then the throwable has to be here. Throwable pickup. How did I... Ugh. How do I lose these things? How do I just lose my scripts somewhere in the...
Alex or something 1234 just followed.
I knew you would do that. I'm on to you, okay? I see my follower count go down and I'm like... I know it's you, okay? I know it's you. Every time. Every time. Throwable in hand. There we go. Okay. So I need to open that, I need to open the pistol script, and I need to copy those to a new enemy script. But yeah, conveniently every stream I lose 1 follower, and then immediately gain it back at the beginning of the stream. Curious. I wonder who could be doing that. Also, there are currently only 3 emotes in Twitch, because Twitch thought that the other 2 were possibly not safe for work, so it flagged them, and then has to be manually reviewed. Which is super silly, but like, it is what it is. Here we are. Okay. So the pistol has the camera shake. Enemy should... they don't really need camera shake for that. I think it's fine. Yeah. They had to be manually reviewed for some reason. I think it's because of the gaping mouth hole for the D emote, and then wait, if I just go over to Discord and show you guys. But yeah, I think that it's the mouths, because it's only these 2. I think it might be the tongue and the mouths. I think that Twitch thought that that might have been something a little bit different. So, we gotta wait for those. It'll probably be like 24 hours. It won't be that bad. Okay. How can I do this? Because I have the aim script, I think. I have the enemy aim, yeah. Let's get the enemy aim working. So I need... Thor had the same problem? With which emote? I think it's just the hole. I think it's the hole in the tongue. I think that's the problem. I have not added... We currently have 1 sub badge, which is a little egg, but the artist is currently working on the other sub badges. They're looking really good, but it's not in yet. We're gonna finish all of them, export everything, and then could be good. That's probably gonna take another couple weeks if I were to guess before we get anything in there, so then everything should be in, we should be good. Okay. So enemy aim, I think I can just put in No, I couldn't just slot that in right now, can I? You can try it. I'm curious what would actually happen. But go here, go to aim pivot, and then add enemy aim. Let's do 1.2. 1. Aim smoothing time. What was the one on the turret? I'm literally just gonna copy this, I think.
Alex or
Copy
something
component. There we go.
1234 redeemed suggest a song. He'll send you link in Discord DM.
Alright, that works. In the world. Sorry, one moment. My cat just ran over me. Sorry about that. Okay. So I just copied this. I'm gonna copy the script. We're gonna copy component, and then we're going to go over here, and we're just gonna paste it. Paste component values. Okay. Okay. Currently not working. Why not? Okay, I'm checking. Where? Whoop, whoop. It's so short. Okay. I think it is. Okay, so it needs to get the enemy aggro script. That's the problem. Which it doesn't have access to, because that's actually on... Okay. I need to just make that a public component, I think. Not instead of being a private, instead of it being private, because that's going to be in different places. So I'm just going to make that public, I'm going to drag it over to assignment. It does kind of have a goofy beat. He's quite goofy. Okay. Now if I go to the enemy aim pivot, then I have to drag in that. Now it should have access. Okay, so it's definitely aiming. Oh, okay, it just seems to work. Nice. And then we die? Wait, what? Oh no, okay. Wait, what is this from? Oh, it's because we didn't set it over here. We didn't set in the turret. I need to go to the prefab. Turret prefab. I need to get the reference to the enemy aggro script, which is right there. Awesome. I played it like 3 times. Okay, so it does currently work. I think, although I think if the enemy rotates or like goes the other way, then the yeah, that's not gonna be right. What? Okay. Hmm. Yeah, that's super not right. Where's the aggro script? Okay, so I do have this referenced. Right, that's in the that's on the patrol enemy object, right? Yes. Okay. So I need to just get the look direction and then we're gonna do this really dirty and then I'll fix it later. Okay, so first we're going to get a reference to...
Screw underscore it underscore let's underscore do underscore it has renewed his membership to Parliament for 2 months.
Thank you very much.
Amogus.
Thank you very much. Let's do it. The 2-month subscription. Thank you very much, man. Thanks for sticking with us. Okay, so I need the enemy aim. Yes, enemy aim. Here we have emotes now. You guys can use emotes across the entirety of Twitch. We got a cool emote. We got a love emote. We got 2 more waiting because Twitch thought that they were NSFW. It's awesome. I'm very happy with them. Our artist is very talented. Very talented. Oh, I need to make this public. Whoop. Actually, this is considering it's going to be only on the patrol enemy. I'm just going to do aim script equals get component in children. In children. That dang Dave emote, man. I love it. I absolutely love it. Just so silly. I hope to once live up to the Dave emote. That's my goal. He just looks so professional. What can I say? Okay, so when we change direction, we're changing the aggro script look direction. We also need to change. We also need to change like the way it's actually facing, which I think I'm doing in the player aim script. So I just need to steal that. I just need to yoink all of that code. Okay, wait. Player aim. Where are you? Player aim. Okay. Set aim local scale. We're just gonna do this. Enemy aim. I'm going to add this here. Actually, wait. That would fix it. This would fix it. So I'm going to add it. But like, no. I think we're actually just going to do that in the enemy patrol script. So I'm going to have another header. It's going to be public. Or not public, sorry. Header. We're going to label this assignment so that it's nice and organized. I just have a blank header here. I have no idea why this is even here, but whatever. Just going to call this basic movement. Basic movement. And for assignment, we need to get 2 things. We need to get the fire particle emitter, and we need to get a reference to the transform of the actual arm, I think. It's a fire center and aim center, so we need 2 transforms. Where are you? Okay. Public. Transform. Fire... Well, what did I call this? Fire center? No, fire particle emitter. Particle emitter? And public. Can you use OGG files for the music? I can, technically, but I don't currently have that set up. Do you want to send me an OGG file? What do you plan to send me? Why? That's kind of weird. What are you doing? Did you make a song? Is that what you want to send me? Otherwise, why do you have the OGG file for something but not a YouTube link? That seems weird, man. I actually don't need a reference to the game script. I'm a fool.
Alex or something 1234 redeem suggest a song. Just a song file.
I don't have it. Dave originated as a need for a Be Back Soon screen. How? What? What does the Be Back Soon screen look like? Like, how does that work? What do you mean it originated as a Be Back Soon screen? Okay, so I need to get these transforms, and then I need to basically just do this to them. It's just a large image of Dave for Be Back Soon. What are you sending me? What is this? What is Goon Lagoon? Did you make this? Who made this? Why is it here? Answer my riddles 3 and I'll show it on stream. Who made this? Why did you send it to me in an OGG file? It's another thing. Why did you send it to me in an OGG file? I warned you. I said my riddles 3. Fire particle emitter. What? Oh, oops. There we go. It's not on YouTube. Okay, fair enough. How did I... What is the name of this? Emitter? Emitter? There we go. Okay, and then I need to change this. So I'm going to do set aim at local scale, move there, and I'm going to do the same thing up here. And then let me configure everything so I can actually play this file. Because I don't think you guys currently hear it, do you? Wait, let me check. Let me pause the other music. Go back here. No, you don't. Okay, I need to change this. Properties. Media player. Okay. Nope, still didn't work. Come on. Whoop, maybe? There we go. There we are. Okay. How is it not on YouTube? That's actually crazy. I feel like everything's on YouTube now. YouTube is the all-encompassing host of media. Okay, so now it should swap. I didn't actually add those. That would have aired really badly. Okay, fire particles. This one. And then aim center is gonna be this. Okay. So it does aim, it does shoot the player. Gurren Lagann? No. I don't think that this is from Gurren Lagann. It's from TS Underswap. I have seen Gurren Lagann, though. Why did the scale get changed? What happened there? Huh. Oh, okay. Wait, what? Aim center local skill.y. So I'm setting... Oh. Gurren Lagann is really cool. I remember seeing it when I was like at the beginning of the weeb phase. It was good, it was really good. Okay, why is this not working how I think it should? If I change this to an int, would it be happier? It's only 1 or -1? Wait, what is the... Maybe I should do this instead. Times aim center dot local scale. Nope, local scale dot x. Okay. We do fire particles, local scale. Also, Alan the Brush. How's your game going, man? I love seeing all the little updates you give. It's fantastic. Like, I really enjoy your process. I've been thinking about doing a, like a 3D to pixel art style / workflow myself, and probably gonna end up using your stuff as reference. Like, the videos that you've sent. It's, like, actually really helpful. Keep sending that stuff, man. Okay, wait. Okay, awesome. That kind of worked. We're working on a VTube avatar right now. Is that what... Wait. Let me go to the show off work. By the way, anyone who is not already in the Discord, join. You can show off your work here. Is that what this little guy is? Look at him. Wait. Wait for the gift to load. He's adorable. Look at him. Is this what this is? I love him. He's just a little guy. Okay, the offset's wrong for some reason. Little guy, 10 out of 10. He's adorable. Okay, I need to change the offset here. That should be better. There we go. Okay. No, it's the mascot. Okay. You should send in how the VTuber is currently going. I'd love to see that. What, is it only firing straight? Okay, well that's not right. I'm doing it both ways, yeah. Wait, why didn't it go back to normal? Because it started moving. It changed the move direction. Right? Yeah. But it didn't change the scale. Interesting. Okay. No, it's definitely working properly. It's just because we're on an even level, it looks weird. Yeah, there we go. I'm just gonna go into the tile editor real quick and then make him tile palette. Yeah, I want him to move or change direction a lot faster. Because I need to check if it's actually working when he's facing the other way. It is. It's just the offset is horrible. The offset is just not right. Where am I setting the offset? Did I hard code the offset? That would be suboptimal. Yeah, where is it firing? It is instantiating its fire particle. Okay, wait. No. We're instantiating it here at transformed opposition. Okay. You probably need to give that an offset. So we're going to public
Screw underscore
Vector
it
2.
underscore let's underscore do underscore it redeem suggest a song. The
Polaroid
Polaroid and the negative.
Polaroid and the negative. I'm going to presume this is a Binding of Isaac song. It is! What the world is this? This goes weirdly hard.
Your son Isaac is still corrupt. To prove your faith, I will ask you a sacrifice. Go into his room.
Very silly. Okay, wait. Vector 2.
Your son Isaac will be his sacrifice.
Plus, wait. Can I get the aggro script look direction? Yes.
I found dear son, Main Chao, elf.
Thank you for that. Banger. Absolute banger. You guys have, like, the silliest repertoire of songs. I don't know what it is, man. Darth was hitting us with, like, the really old internet songs. Now you're hitting us with, like, Binding of Isaac memes. So you sent it as the dog ones. That's what it was. That's what I was thinking of. What in the world? There we go. Oh, no, wait, I actually need that? Oh, yeah, I do. I love seeing the emotes in chat. It makes me happy. It brings dopamine to my brain. Okay, so we need to get
Darth
the look
Blackman
direction.
Redeemed suggests a song.
Oh, goodness.
GRDM, Ride Like the Wind.
GRDM. GRDM, right like the wind. Didn't we already listen to this one? What is GRDM? I'm gonna presume it's this one.
George R.R. Martin, please write and write faster. You're not going to get any younger, you know. Winter is coming, I'm growing impatient.
It's been weeks? It's been like
Two whole damn books left to go.
a week, possibly.
So write, George, write like the wind.
Good song though. Okay, and then I need to do the offset.
I curse the day that my friend ever loaned me an old
Wait, no.
dog-eared
I just need to do
paperback
offset.
called Game of Thrones.
Plus fire offset.
Know that the seed would grow
Maybe?
into an addiction that held me right down to my bones. Now 5
No,
years later,
no, I'm right here.
the masses in
I do need to get the look direction, and then it needs to be the fire offset.
Great Bearded Glacier has finally published 900 more
Factor 3.
crap for the nerds. Why does every new verse of
Oh,
your song
okay, there we go.
keep taking you so goddamn long? George R.R. Martin, please write and write faster.
Is he ever going to finish that? Is he ever going to finish Game of Thrones?
Of incessant intrigue and 6-page descriptions of every last meal. So write, George, write like the wind.
Sounds like a singer. He's currently singing, so that makes sense.
Tolkien had 12 years and Rowling
Are you talking about George R.R. Martin?
spent nearly 3 decades.
No, he wrote Game of Thrones.
And we all know how
A
that
singer. R.
you're not our bitch and you're not a machine and we don't
Okay.
need to dictate how you spend your
Fire offset needs to be like.
in the time that you've had. William Shakespeare churned out 35 friggin' plays. And if you keep writing so slow,
And a little bit. It sucks that they weren't aware. Okay, wait, let's see where this actually fires now. Okay, needs to be a little bit different, like 0 point. Yeah, let's go like 2, and then we need it to be a little bit higher. So let's go like 3.5, 3.5. Let's try this. Okay, a little bit too high. So we're gonna go like 0.28. That looks a lot better. Okay, let's have it turn around. Turn around. Okay. Oops. That's also doing... Okay, so this fire offset, the problem is, this is also changing the Y. So it's getting multiplied when it shouldn't be, so I think I just need to do... I'm just gonna do new vector 3, and then we're going to have this, so it doesn't flip the Y, times X. I don't want to change that to a vector 3. That would be super silly. And then we're going to do fire offset dot y and 0 and 0. There we go. Okay, there we go. That should work. Check the VOD of the first stream you ever watched. I look different? It's been like 2 months. I can't look that different. What do you mean I look different? What's that supposed to mean? Is that a good or a bad thing? Wait, why? Okay, it's missing now. What's happening? My hair? It's like the same haircut. I don't know how I could look any different. Send in the clip. Okay, it's fine until he goes and then swaps again. What's happening? It grew? Okay, well that makes sense. My hair grows pretty fast. Why doesn't it swap again? What? He kind of just bumps into the wall, it swaps once, and he bumps into it again, and it just doesn't for some reason. Why? Oh, this is the problem. I need to do mathf.abs. There we go. Now it should work. Wait, I need to do that here as well. Yeah, we should be good. Maybe? Hopefully, we'll see. Dude, I'm a barber's nightmare, like, genuinely. Wait, I don't think I have a photo, but that's okay. I let my hair grow out until it was, like, down to here, and I have super thick hair. Like, razors break on my hair. It's, like, actually a problem. But, so I go in with this giant mop of hair, and then the barber is trying to cut it, and just clumps are coming out, because I have really, really thick hair. And every single time I go to a barber, they're just like, why? Why didn't you come sooner? Why are you doing this to me? And I'm like, you know, have to keep you on your toes, it's fun. It is a pain to cut my hair. That's why I don't do it myself. Yeah, we need to lower this a little bit. Let's do like 18. How's that look? No, I did not get a haircut, not yet. I need one, but I will probably be getting one relatively soon. There we go. Okay, let's let this turn around, and then we'll see if this works better. Nice. Okay, so I need the aim script to change this state. Okay, I don't have an event for unchanged state, which I should probably get. Grow it and sell it as a wig? I think I'm okay. But thank you for the suggestion. Used to have long, lush hair, and then you abuse it with lots of hair products. I put, like, no hair products in my hair. I put water. And also shampoo, but I don't put too many things in my hair, or really anywhere on my body. I have deodorant, and shampoo, and soap. And I think that's about it. And cologne. I like cologne. My little brother got me into cologne. Cologne scared me. Because it's very expensive, but it lasts forever. And you can actually get it relatively cheap if you know what you're doing. And he knows what he's doing, so... I got pretty good cologne for relatively cheap. I do not do aluminum free. Because with the aluminum free stuff, I am sweaty. Okay. I think that I need to, whenever I change the player state, I need an event for that. Maybe? Or I could just have in the enemy script. Do I already have an event for aiming? I have an event for on fire. But I also need a public event for on aiming. Public event. If I can type action on aiming. And then I need to in the control enemy. So I do need to reference the enemy aim script. I thought I wouldn't. I hoped I wouldn't, but whatever. Okay. I'm gonna do get component in children. Enemy aim. Enemy aim. There we go. Okay. Oh, oops. Aim script. Equals. And then I want to subscribe to that event. So we're going to do that right here. Aim script dot on aiming plus equals on aiming probably change this. Wait, on aiming, where are you? To a bool. Bool. Okay. We'll go back to the patrol enemy. On aiming change. That works. I need to actually create that. So we're going to do private void. Whoa, what did I just do? Private void on aiming change. Yeah, I know there's like some worries with like cancer and stuff with the aluminum deodorant. I don't know how valid those concerns are or not, but I don't like being sweaty, so I'll take the L on that one, I guess. Hopefully I don't get cancer. That'd be a bummer. Okay, is aiming. Now, if is aiming, then we're going to change the state, yes. Can they ever be not aggroed? Yeah, we're gonna change the state to aiming. Current state equals enemy state dot aiming. If you got cancer, you wouldn't have anyone to waste your time watching Twitch streams. I'll try my best to avoid cancer, just for you, Alex. Goodness gracious. Getting tattooed is possibly worse than aluminum deodorant. Possibly? I feel like it's guaranteed worse. Like, getting tattooed is pretty bad for your immune system. Because the ink gets everywhere. Like, it doesn't just stay in the tattoo. It literally, like, it goes throughout your body and it weakens your immune system. I don't think that that's gonna... Once it's in, it's in. Like, there's nothing that you can do about it. I mean, you can try. You're gonna have to laser it through your entire body, though. Why is this not right? On aiming change. What did I... Oh. There we go. Okay. Talking about the micro metals that shredded from the needle. Oh, that's also pretty bad. I'm gonna change that to pursuing. I think I just need booleans instead of actually changing the state directly, and then I can update the state based on the boolean values. So I'm going to get a bool. Here we're going to do private bool is aggro equals false. Private bool no is aiming equals false. And then I'm just going to set is aggro equal to underscore is aggro, and then I'm going to set is aiming equal to underscore is aiming. Just gonna get rid of this. Although I should probably... Actually, I'm gonna make a... Rip skin for us. I feel like there are so many things that you can do to just destroy your skin pores. I'd personally like to avoid them. I feel like there are like so many skin products, it's actually ridiculous. Like, if you really wanted to, you could spend, like, thousands of dollars on your skin and hair. And people do! Hello, the new Riddle Nose? Why? Why what? I feel like you can just spend so much money and destroy your body. Like, there's always the... Like, I used to work with teens and youth, and one thing that was really funny to me is all of the girls would be like, wow, you have really nice hair. I'm like, oh, I don't do anything to it. They're like, it's like, my hair is breaking because I put hair dye and hairspray in it every day. It's like, I feel like you can just actually destroy your hair. Especially like hair dye. Hair dye is really bad. If it's not like high quality, like it's bad for your hair. And bleach, not good. There's so many ways you can just destroy it. Okay, so we need to do update enemy state. You're considering everything I wrote in the design after the initial meeting as the core. Anything else afterwards is just our rambling when you couldn't stop designing. Like, pathfinding and the grid is nice, but it doesn't have a lot to do with the faith game. Okay. I mean, hey man, it's your thing now. Korean skin bleach? Oh yeah, dude. Ugh, I can't imagine that that's good for you. Like, truly, there's no way it is. And I know that, like, a lot of Asian countries have a culture, or at least this is what I've heard, that they have a culture to where, like, being, like, whiter in complexion is better, which I think is insane. Like, why would you do that to yourself? Why would you skin bleach yourself? That seems bonkers to me. Whoop. Just making it... Whoop. Just making it reality and what it's supposed to do before we got our heads stuck in bed of an RTS looking game. Hey, I wanted an RTS looking game, alright? That's what I originally was trying to go for. But I definitely had a hard time explaining the design. Got a little bit all over the place. Okay. So we have is aiming and then is aggro, and I want aiming to take priority over aggro. So if it is aiming, then we need to fire the bullet. Song's a banger, yeah. Okay. Good to it. The RTS will be where we have controlled fun. Randomness was not good to us. That's fair. Okay, I think it's definitely a good idea to build the systems on top of each other, because I was trying to just like throw everything in all at once, which got real weird real fast. So I don't blame you for taking a more like bottom-up approach. Okay, so I need to change it to enemy state that aiming, and then if we're not aiming, oh, current state, there we go, and then otherwise, else if is aggro, no, he is aggro. I need to change the current state to pursuing state. And then otherwise, I need to change it to the patrolling state. I think that should be right. Hey Adam, how are you doing? How's everything been going with you? I haven't seen you in a little while. Work on any fun projects, or? Yeah. Okay, so now it should be pursuing. Yeah, no, dude, you're all good.
Screw underscore it underscore let's underscore do underscore it redeem suggest a song. Found a funny Sonic CD, Cosmic Eternity, Super
Okay.
Mario 64 sound font.
Let's see it, or hear it rather. Just sounds like it's gonna be a banger. I don't know if it's gonna be a funny. Yeah, no, don't feel like you guys need to see every stream or anything. I appreciate whenever you guys stop by, whether that's every stream or once every 4 months. Alright? I appreciate anything. You did a neat project for the Global Game Jam a couple weeks back. The first time doing an art/narrative. Okay, you did everything yourself. Send it in. Send it in to show off your work. I'd love to see it. You should. Yeah. Show off your work. I'd love to play it. Okay. Probably need to make some print statements so I can actually see what's happening. He's aiming. And we're going to do... He's pursuing. Whoop. Pursuing. He's patrolling. Now that should basically show us what's happening. Okay, so currently it should be patrolling, right? Okay, didn't work at all. Oh, because I'm never calling the aim event. Okay, so on aiming. I need to sneeze. One moment. I lied. I thought I needed to sneeze and then I just didn't sneeze. What a horrible feeling. What a horrible reality. Goodness gracious. I hate when that happens, man. Okay. I need to invoke. On aiming. Change. On aiming. Invoke. Oh. Not invoke. There we go. This is a banger. I like this song. There we go. Okay. Watch a bunch of phrase tooling video, and she showed what you wanted on YouTube. It's the Raycast sphere. We need to show Gizmo instead. Interesting, okay. But I'd rather have my ear constantly ringing, or have the fake sneeze every time. Ear ringing drives me insane, so I would probably have the fake sneeze every time. Still horrible, but like... Okay, Adam sent it in. Made a short game thing for Global Game Jam 2024 a couple weeks back. My first time tackling art narrative solo. It was a really eye-opening experience to do everything myself. The whole game takes place in one room over the course of 5 days. It's a little bit broken around the edges. Okay. It doesn't have a web build. We're gonna download it. Oh, I don't have WinRAR installed. I have to install WinRAR. Oh no. Okay, wait. I'm gonna download WinRAR real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna download my permanent free trial. Thank you. WinRAR is so funny to me. I can't believe that WinRAR even, like, is a business that exists. Because it works, apparently. It works for them. I don't know how. Oh, why not? Wait, here's the problem. I'm never actually invoking this or calling this. Nope, update enemy. Okay. Update enemy state. And then I need to update the enemy state here. There we go. Now the state should be updating. Okay, let's look at the downloads. Okay, WinRAR is done. Yes. Okay, install. Yes. Sure. Okay. No, I do not want to pay for WinRAR. I will never pay for WinRAR. You can't make me. Extract and update file. No, just replace. Sure. Awesome. Okay. Downloads. Whoop. And it's on the wrong monitor. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, we need to go screen. Oh, come on. I had to change the application, so we're going to go... What is this called? Yes, that. Add executable. Okay. You're getting behind the scene look at how everything works. Okay, and I need that one. Perfect. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. How do I interact? What? Half the highlighted stuff, or half the stuff that highlights isn't interactable? Okay. Should I even bother? Okay. Oh, time to get up. I need to turn this down for my earbuds. Open volume mixer. Thank you for the obligatory warning that I ignored. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yeah, it happens, man. It's okay. Okay. Oh, time to get up. I have to shower and get breakfast, then work once more. Should I even bother making my bed? I have nothing to say to my smart speaker. I don't have time for this right now. Okay, wait. What do I need to do? Shower first? Okay. Okay, showering. And I'm gonna make food. Not too much of a breakfast, but it'll do. Okay. Where's my food? Do I sit now? Okay, wait. Let me leave. Okay. Another long day. I'll make some food and zone out for a while. I made dinner. I'm gonna zone out for a while. Okay, watch some TV. Hey, computer, make me laugh. Computers can make... Wait. Some people say computers can't make jokes, but I can. Smiley face. Question. How does a smart speaker say that emoji? Is it colon dash closing parenthesis? It says... It just does. It just invokes it in your mind. Duh. I'm not hungry anymore. Okay, okay. And now I sleep. Shit, I'm late for work. No time for breakfast, but I need a shower. I get that. Okay, let's go. What a shit day. Maybe I'll grab a snack from the fridge. Good enough. Wait, I can't couch anymore. Hey computer, make me laugh. Why didn't the computer turn on? You're unattractive. Haha. Thank you for your feedback. Smiley face, colon dash, closing bracket. What time is it? 4 AM? Ugh. I can get some actual sleep. Oh, not nice word. Oh, frick. I slept through my alarm. I'm gonna be so late for work. Oh, it's my day off. How could I lose track of days like that? I'm not hungry much these past few days. More brain rot TV. I'd still rather this than the news. I have nothing to say. What do you mean? Ring, 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 ring. Thanks for calling. Your food is on the way. Wait on the sofa for my food to arrive. Fell asleep. Maybe I'll just get to bed. Wonder if my smart speaker has anything to say. Wait, I should probably grab my food. I guess not. Hey computer, make me laugh. I love the little animation. It's very expressive. What do you call a computer that tells jokes? A waste of everyone's time. Maybe AI doesn't quite understand humor yet. Thanks for your feedback. Well, you guys can't read it. Ugh. I need to move myself. Camera. Whoop. There we go. The animation is the sign of life in the room too. I love it. I have nothing to say to my smart speaker. Good on food right now. Okay. I don't call anyone. Sleep. Shit, my boss. I'm late again. Hey, boss. On my angry noises. I'll be there as soon as I can. Click. No time for anything. Gotta go. You really fired me for being late? What now? Yo, I need a good laugh. I have nothing to say. I don't have anyone to call. I guess I just sleep. I don't have anyone to call. Let's see. Hey computer, make me laugh. Knock knock. Who's there? Computer. Computer who? It's me. I am computer. I am here. Did you laugh? Frick this! Thank you for your feedback. Tomorrow will be better. It is kind of depressing. It's a very somber tone. Hey, long time no see. How are you? I'm getting by. Are you free today? Absolutely. Let's hang out. We've all missed you. Ooh. Adam, where are the credits? Oh, okay. No, did not have time for credits. Okay, wait, let me swap over again. Whoop. That was awesome, man. I actually enjoyed that. I love the computer and I really like the art style. The computer's very funny. I like it. He's a silly little guy. Oh wait, my camera's still all the way up there. Whoop. Back down. There we go. Down to reality. Nope, I'm still floating. Wait. There we go. Should be good. Undertale yellow jump scare. Sits waiting for the credits for 1 hour. I just sit at a black screen. Adam, when do the credits pop up? Adam, wait. Everyone you spoke to in the in-person event in Galway could relate to the little guy at some point in their life. Yeah. I feel like it's really easy to just kind of let life slip by when you're working. Like, I've only had a couple jobs in my life and I'm pretty young, but there have definitely been times to where I just wake up, work, go to bed, wake up, work, go to bed, and it's no way to live, man. You gotta have something else. You gotta have friends, you gotta have something else that's keeping you motivated, whether it's just like reading, hanging out with family, making a game, you need something. Kind of subverting the theme of making me laugh, but that was the theme? Jeez! Dude. I mean, banger game. Definitely fits the theme, but yeah, absolute subversion. I don't think that that's what they intended. They're like, well, there's gonna be some real goofy games. And they just play that, just... Man... Yeah, I mean, you just need to spice it up with something that fills up your battery. Yeah, no, I really like it. I really like the art style. Like, genuinely really like the art style. How did you do that? Because it looks really good. Like, the game looks really good. And you know, I got a good chuckle from the silly robot. Okay, there we go. Complete accident, you threw a pixel filter on everything, it just came together. Sometimes it's just how it happens. It's what I did for, I'm gonna be honest. Wait, let me go to itch real quick. For a short survey, I literally was just messing with filters and like downscaling things, and it kind of works. It ended up working out. It looks neat. Sometimes you just gotta toss things together and hope it works. Some trickery to force alignment on the pixel grid per object and a little color quantization. That's it. Nice. I mean, it looks really good. You did a good job. Also, color quantization is when you, like, only have a certain amount of colors, right? Like, you're limiting the amount of colors, right? Wait, were there sprites? I thought that everything was a model. I genuinely... There are sprites? Wait, I have to check. Why does Unity love opening on the wrong monitor? Okay, wait. This is definitely a model. This is definitely a model. This is definitely a model. Model, 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 model. Model? It's all a model. I can't tell. But small scales. It's not immediate, obvious though. Oh no, everything was a model? Okay. It looks really good. Like, it has a very distinct style. Okay. Back to what we were doing. Yeah, no problem. So it is working. Okay, so we're always aiming, but why are we aiming so much? Wait, I don't actually know if this is working properly. Okay, so we're aiming. Then we're back to pursuing for a moment. Correct? Yeah. Okay, so we aim. Well, it's hard to tell if it's aiming because it doesn't stop. So I need to stop the movement when it's aiming. Sorry, one moment. You do shaders for sprites, that'll give you that look too. Really? Shaders for sprites? You mean like the outline, or? Because I know you can do like an outline on that, but... Okay, so I need to stop the patrol enemy from moving when they are aiming. So... I'm going to do if not is aiming. We're gonna do that. Perfect. Yeah, I've been thinking about using a similar art style for the game we're working on right now. I have a general idea of what I want, like, the theme and story to be, but I don't know how to make the art style work with that. Why is it just permanently aiming? Not good. Okay, if they're not aiming, or if they're not aggroed... Okay, wait. If not is aggro... Is aggro... We're going pretty surface level, honestly. So I want the enemy to be able to, like, fire at the player. Check if there are other... We're not going to do this quite yet, but check if there are other enemies close so that they can, like, not be on top of each other. They need to be able to hold a gun, they need to be able to fire that gun, and they need to be able to, like, hold a throwable, throw a gun, or throw weapons, check for nearby obstacles so they can jump over things, and then pick up things. For a game a few months back, you implemented goal orientation. What? Goal-oriented action planning, GOAP, system for NPCs. Maybe something to look at? There's likely an off-the-shelf solution. It's a bit of a deep dive, though. Yeah, a lot of the things in the game... I kind of have, like, a weird relationship with how I'm developing the game, because on one hand... Whoop. Let's make this full screen. Because on one hand, I want to be able to... Alright, have a good night, or have a... whatever time it is. Good time of... good regionally accurate... greeting? Not greeting. Damn, what is it called? Disembarkle message, that's what I'm going to call it. So I have like kind of a weird relationship with how I'm developing the game, because on one hand, I'm streaming, so I'm kind of always working on it, and I need something to show. Like, I need to always be working on something on stream. And then I'm also, off-stream, designing the game. And the stage that it's designed in is not quite the same that I'm streaming in, so these are kind of disconnected. Which I'm running into weird issues with that, to where I have, like, I'm trying to figure out the art style and the way that, like, enemies are actually going to work. But I still need things to work on to stream, and I don't have a lot of time, because I'm a full-time college student. I did the math. My schedule, I was working 100 hours a week. I was working 2.5 full-time jobs. Yeah. So I am trying to figure out how to balance college and also running this business and game dev. Because the problem was, I just... It's not that it's impossible. It's that the way that I was doing it was really bad. I'm taking my vitamin C. I have plenty of oranges, don't worry. But yeah, the way that I was doing this was just really bad. Yeah. I was working a lot on college work, and then I was doing a bunch of game dev stuff that I really didn't need to be doing, so I was wasting probably around 40 hours was my estimate. So I'm limiting my work hours to 60 hours, which is 40 hours less, because I was doing things very inefficiently, because I was trying to figure out what I was doing, and now that I know what I'm doing more, I think that I can limit everything to more of a 60-hour week instead of a 100-hour week, because I was, like, destroying myself. So, going forward, I'm gonna try... We might have to do a little bit of design work on stream, like I did that one day for the game jam, the pirate jam, but we'll see. Hopefully I can keep ahead. Yeah, right now I kind of have an idea of what I want enemies to do, but I'm spending a lot of time implementing things instead of actually paper testing them. But paper testing is super important. Like, I feel like for the enemy AI, I need to kind of go back and actually, like, write out the flowchart of how I want everything to work. So we might have to redesign this eventually, but this is my first time implementing enemy AI, so I just want to test it. Yeah, it's not easy. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm happy to do it. Interesting, okay. You have to do a tech design, like, fishing your GitHub. Yeah, like, your designs are actually really good. Wonder if I can scroll up in our DMs and find your GitHub real quick. Wait. I know it has to be somewhere. I just don't know where it is. Okay, wait. Has link. There we go. GitHub, perfect. Here. You changed it. Dang it. What's your new GitHub? Send it to me, and I'll showcase it. Okay, right now we're just trying to figure out, like, how enemies are going to work in basic terms, and then I'm probably going to gut it and then change it all, which is perfectly fine with me. There's going to be a lot of, like, implementing things and then gutting them, because we're really early in development phase, so nothing is set in stone. I don't like that they just stop moving. They need to keep moving. Like, They can stop moving, but they need to... If they're not aggro, then I need to set is aiming false. Wait, no, other way around. If we're not aggro, then we need to stop all of this. So we only want to do this if we are aggroed. And then otherwise, I need to set is aiming to false. I think. There we go. Something like this. I would not structure a game this way. This is just not how I would personally like to do it, but I need something. Like some formal structure. Because the way you structured that was very specific to your game. Okay. Whoop. Okay, so that's working a lot more than like I wanted it to, but I want whenever they're pursuing to move only in the direction of the player. So if they are pursuing or is aiming, so probably just the pursuing state, just because here we can do. If they're not aiming, or actually just if current state equals enemy state dot pursuing, then I want to move. Otherwise, if they're aiming, then I don't want to move, and if they're not aggro, then I don't want to move. No, wait, this should only be if they're patrolling. Then I can have another else if the current state equals enemy state dot pursuing. There we go. Also, Adam, I don't know if you're referring to me or someone else, but feel free to say anything negative about what I'm doing, okay? I value your feedback. It's about Lethal Company? What? Oh, you've been poking through the AI code for Lethal Company's enemies. Oh. Yeah, that was made by one guy. And I mean, you know what? The game is super successful. I don't feel like I can like say anything about it, you know what? The game is successful. It is definitely hacked together, but he did it, alright. Or they did it. I have actually no idea who that person is, but successful game? Good job. Okay, so I want to do the player position. So we're going to get, instead of move dir, we're going to set move dir. Yes. Yes, so we're going to do if current state equals trolling, and then else if current state is pursuing. This is going to be if we're patrolling. And then pursuing, we're going to set move dir equal to mathf dot sign of transform dot position minus player position. Player dot, what do I have access here? Instance dot set player object. Do I have a get player object? Get player object. Perfect, okay. I should probably just do that up here. So we're gonna get the player object. Let's have a private transform. Player transform. And then right here, private. Whoop. I want to just set player transform equal to player.instance.get player transform. Or get player object, rather. What am I setting this? Okay, dot transform. If I go to the player script real quick, because there might be a problem to where this actually isn't set. I don't know when I'm setting it. Oh, minus player transform dot position. What's your problem? Oh, it seems to be X. Oops. Are you happy yet? Okay, there we go. Where's the player script? Oh, I can just actually reference it here. Give me! Go to definition. We're gonna promote that. And then set player form. Nah, no, set player object. Where are you? Okay, set player object. Oh, that's done at the end of the first frame. Yeah, we're gonna have a problem with that. Mostly for mobile, but one can start by just listing one's scripts and their methods and what calls them. This way you can plan how to encapsulate stuff, I started dirty with 10 different elements that eventually cut to half with inheriting from a base with most of the methods. Yeah, because I know that you have a very, like, inheritance-heavy structure. Which inheritance scares me, I'm gonna be honest. Because I feel like you can get into, like, some really weird weeds when you get too far into it. Things just stop working, and then you have to rewrite everything. Okay, so this isn't gonna work. I'm gonna need to do this. Why am I setting it here? Why don't I do it at the start? I'm doing this in the player death script, right? Yeah. In the player script, does setting this change anything? On player object change. Okay, so I actually need to subscribe to that event. That's the problem. Instead of just getting it. Ever thought about implementing your own mono behavior proxy to add protected variables? Yeah, like, Darth's architecture is really crazy to me. Like, watching him code is kind of crazy. Because he knows a lot about coding. It's actually insane. And scary, honestly. Because I don't know what's going on a lot of the time. Just like, yes. That happened. And then he has to sit there and, like, baby me through it. And he's just like, yep, this is what happens, and then this is what happens, and this is what happens. And I'm like, okay, I get it now. Because he uses, like, the craziest things. I didn't really know what events were until, like, 2 weeks ago, so, like, my level's pretty low. Does it? Yeah, it does send a game object. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a problem. No, it won't be. That'll be fine, actually. Okay. Unless the enemy aggro's frame 1, which they shouldn't ever. And if they are, then oops. Okay. This needs to take in a game object. Underscore player object. If I encapsulate well at one of these problems, listen to Uncle Bob, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Yeah. Uncle Bob's right. Almost always. However, it's just so hard. Like, I know he's right. But actually doing it properly, I'm like, what is happening? Figuring that stuff out is hard. Once you get it, but I feel like just learning the proper way to do it and like getting into the habit of doing it, it just feels weird because you got to change your whole. You really got to check yourself, basically. Okay, and then you just set player transform to player object.transform. Thank you, IntelliSense. Okay. Ow. Why did you stop moving? That's not right. Was that when we were pursuing? Wait, that was his aiming, then his pursuing. Check it. Ow. Okay, so if we're aiming, then it just stops working. But we're not... We didn't lose aggro. Okay. I'm only rotating the gun if we're aggroed. This is so weird. Okay. I think I need to set is aiming false somewhere else. This is just wrong. If we're not aggroed, then we set is aiming to false. Oh, wait. Here's the problem. I currently have aggro range and aim range at the same thing. Oh, that's just not right. Yeah, Darth, how did you get from, like, the design to all of your scripts? Like, did you just list out what every single object in the game needed to do? Like, was it just like a really detailed game design document, and then you converted that into scripts? How did you do that? How did you convert, I have idea for game, to I have list of scripts and technical document? Because that's bonkers to me. That conversion, just, I don't know where that connects. This is fine if the player is, like, right next to it, and the second that we leave the range, then we just die. Okay. First things first. What is this actually getting set to? Let's print move there. I think it might be getting set to 0, which is not good. Okay, and it's not moving anymore for some reason. What? We can't be aggroed. Why are we still aggroed? What? Print. Is aggro. Equals is aggro. And we're going to do another concatenation. I'm just gonna do a string literal. This makes the life way easier. I love verbatim string literals. It's actually so nice. I had to figure out how to do them in C++, which is super weird because it's like an R instead, and then you have to do that. It's just wrong. I like my $sign. But no, C++ has to be weird and different. For the sake of being weird and different. How does JavaScript do them? Come on, load for me! Okay. So we set his aiming to false. Oh, I'm not setting the current state to controlling again. There we go. Now it should be good. Okay, first and foremost, you took solid to heart. For example, open-close principle, own solid, feature should be closed to modification, open to extension. You basically create a bunch of features, services, that are tools for your game objects. Then you write scripts with the appropriate tools, and you mostly only need to worry about how the services are initialized. They might have dependencies. Okay. You write scripts with the appropriate tools. What does that mean? What do you mean write scripts with the appropriate tools? Oh dang. Hey, how are you doing, Silver Fillet? Okay. Definitely getting shot. And now if we wait for the enemy to aim, and then we move out of the range, it does move. Okay, good. Now I just need an aim range that's different from the aggro range. Or I can just have a move range? No, I probably need like an aim range. Yeah. Although I don't know. The aim range needs to be less than the aggro range. What are you working on? You say fellow game devs. You got some to show? We have a Discord server. You can send it into the show off your work. Right here. Wait. Right here. I'd love to see it. Okay, so... You just released your first Steam game? I think you might get bonked if you sent the link into Twitch chat. You can try it, and then I'll just send the link in after it, but... I'd love to see it. What is it about? At least you can just send the link, and I'll see the Steam page, but... Okay. So we need an aim. Yeah. Boss rush platformer similar to Cuphead. Yeah. Send a link. Try it. If you get timed out by Nightbot, I'll untime you out. Okay, you're good. Whoop. Interesting. Oh. This looks really neat. Awakening, November 3rd. Cool. An ordinary marshmallow. That looks really neat. Very charming, delightfully devious. This game might look simple at first glance, but man is it fun. Simple control scheme, but can be deceiving because Marsh offers a plethora of challenges, both combat and platforming ones. Every level brings something new and fun and extremely random. Had a blast playing it. This game is incredibly fun and frustrating to try to take on. And that just makes the feeling of victory when you beat a level so much sweeter. The graphics are simple but adorable, and the music creates a relaxing ambiance for your rage to take comfort in. Big recommend. This game is a great platformer, and the guy who made the game is cool. TLDR, if you like Cuphead, you will most likely like this. Design is simple but cute. Whoop. What's that? Oh, those are the only four. Okay. Design is simple but cute with its own style. The bosses are well thought out, hard enough, and attacks are interesting and well telegraphed. Great challenge. Nice. That's awesome, man. It's $5 on Steam. There are a bunch of achievements. Oh my goodness. Rank SS the game. Achieve S. This looks awesome. Okay. You're getting it? Do it, man. Looks super neat. You released your first Steam game. That's awesome, dude. What did you do for marketing? I know, it's like the big question that all indie devs hate, because marketing is so hard, and usually not our specialty. But did you do any marketing besides, like, releasing the game out there and hoping, or... Did you do too much marketing before you released the game, or just... No experience in marketing, but you made some social media accounts? Were you actively posting to them, or... You just kind of leave them out there and post every once in a while? Okay, I need a public load aim range. You tried to. Okay. They're made quite late. Like, how many months before release? And you don't have to answer any of my questions. I love interrogating game devs. I mean, just seep your knowledge like a leech. A couple of months? Okay. What kind of posts did you make? Send me your social media accounts. I'm very curious. You didn't expect the game to have as much content as it does? Did scope creep get to you, or did you just like, yeah, whatever, I'll add more? Because it seemed like people were playing it for like 6 to 8 hours. That's pretty good for a $5 game. That's a lot of content. Okay. So we have the aim range. Where's the aggro script? Enemy aggro. Make bosses fun, so you kept going. Yeah, most people beat the normal mode in about 7 to 9 hours. Dang. Yeah, that is a good bit of content. What are the sales numbers like? You're gonna start playing it? Alright, have some fun. Or have fun, Alex. Thanks for stopping by. You haven't made $100 yet? Well, hopefully you get there, man. I wish you nothing but the best of luck. It looks good. It looks fun. Okay, so I have the aggro range, right? Yeah, aggro distance. Should probably call aim distance, yeah. And I basically just need to do the same thing here. Check player LOS. Okay. Enjoy watching people play it more than getting money. You don't care about getting profit at the moment, just a first release game. Yeah, dude, that releasing a game onto Steam is a huge achievement. Like, genuinely a huge achievement. And if your goal wasn't to make a profit, then you did it, man. You released a game. That is a huge achievement regardless. Okay, so I need to get the distance from the player. Okay, player distance, and then... No! Oh, right here. Okay, perfect. So I need to get his aiming. No! Here. Okay. Get player distance. We're going to change this to aim distance. And I don't think I have a reference to the fire tracker. I do! Okay, good. So check player distance. And then we're going to... Not if is aggro. Well, yes, if is aggro. And check player distance. Then I want to aim. Otherwise, we're just going to do our idle rotation. Use aim equals false. I also need to call that here. Don't want to set is aggro to false. That would be a bad idea. I think, yeah. How did a white cube survive a house falling? It's awesome having some streamers I know waiting for free DLC, and you're making it come out. Did you send it to like streamers and stuff, or? Wait, why is the gun firing not? Oh no. Wait, what? To marshmallow so it tanks it. Good answer. Okay. The pistol script is a little bit wrong. I just need to change the fire position. Fire position. Why is it so wrong? That's so weird. Some streamers already knew it, and they said, hey, I made game, by the way. That's awesome. I need to lower that again. Wait, what? What is wrong with this thing, man? No, that's not right. What? So weird. Wait, why was it working for a moment and then it stopped? Okay, that looks better. I think I need to lower that a little bit, like 18. Getting your game playtested teaches you a lot. Like, genuinely a lot. Getting your game playtested early and often is super important. Did I just change? No, okay, I was going crazy. Just losing my mind for a moment. What was going on there? Did you do too much playtesting before releasing the game, or? Okay, that's fine. We fixed the pistol script. The patrol enemy is working, technically. I need to actually just change the aiming distance and we should be good. So the aggro distance I can change here. Change this to like 6, I'm gonna change the aim distance to like 4. Okay. What? Huh? Why is it trying to stay away from the player? What's happening? Okay, that's just super not right. What? Okay. Do I need to change this for the patrol enemy? Where are you? I think I need to swap these, because that doesn't seem right. There we go. So you did get playtesting. That's awesome, man. Okay, wait. If you jump over the enemy, they already know you're there. They probably shouldn't just stop. That's kind of weird. Okay. You're on mouse and key, you can click. That's how to play on the menu if you aren't a controller. Okay. So it's moving towards the enemy now. Moving towards the player. Okay. I need to change the way that this works. I think. That'd be weird for the turret. I'm gonna set a public pool here. Or a serialized field, rather. Pool. Can stay aggro on direction change. And if that's true, then we need to change this. So if can stay aggro on direction change, else we can copy this whole thing and drop in there. But otherwise, we need to first of all check if player fire tracker is not equal, null, and check player position. Direction? No. Check player distance first. We're also gonna need the LOS. Check player LOS. And then, if not is aggro, no, we want to check if we're aggroed. If is aggro. Maybe? I'm trying. Here's what I want to do. If this is checked, if we say can stay aggro on direction change, and I want to make it to where when the player moves to the other side of the enemy, they won't just lose aggro for no reason. They should only lose aggro if they get out of the aggro range or lose LOS. So, if they're within the distance and we have LOS of them and the fire tracker isn't null, this is just to make sure that doesn't error. Then we need to check if we are aggroed. Then we want to check. No. If we're not aggroed, and we set is aggro to true, and we invoke this. And we also need to check direction to become aggroed, but otherwise, if we're aggroed, or this is false, no, else if we are aggroed, then we want to set it to false, I think. No. This, we just need to have an else statement here. Okay, perfect. It should be right. I hope. I can actually make this read a little bit nicer. I'm just gonna copy this, put that there we go. Okay. Yeah, I need to check that box. So, can stay. Perfect. Alright, that's not quite right. What am I changing this? It's in the enemy aim. Okay. If we're rotating the gun too far... No, wait, when do I change the scale and position of the arm? Here. Set aim object to local scale. Okay. We're only doing that if we hit a wall. Probably also need to be doing that kind of all of the time. Because otherwise we're gonna get into some weird problems. Yeah. We also need to set the look direction. All the time. You can play my games right there. Currently up there I have a puzzle game and a horror game. And then right now I'm working on an action platformer. But I've made quite a few games at this point. Some of them better than others. As it usually goes. Okay, that kinda works. That works. It looks jank, but it works. Oh, we're not able to throw the gun anymore. Oh, okay. This project is already getting unwieldy. How is that even possible? I don't understand. Do it. Make a game like it, man. Okay. What's stopping you from making an old school horror game? Nothing. Nothing at all. What? It would be in the pistol throwable script? Maybe? No, it'd be in the pistol script. Yes, gun, pistol. Throw pistol. Here. I don't want to fire the pistol. What is the reference to this? Unfire triggered. What about alt fire? Wait, where is the alt fire? This is in the pistol script? Oh, I guess that would be. Am I never checking on alt fire? That's not right. Wait, then what's activating when I right click? Because when I right click, it's still firing the pistol, which it shouldn't be. Oh, this is on fire triggered, which is in the player script. Okay. When is on fire triggered? Okay. On fire triggered. Here. Send on fire trigger. Fire type. Gun throwable punch. When is this getting called? In the player aim script. On alt fire. Okay. And we check has gun fire trigger. We want fire type throwable on alt fire. No, I don't want a fire gun. I want to throw gun. What does this even mean? What does the fire type throwable actually do? On fire triggered. Okay. If has pistol. Okay. If has pistol, do I also have has bullet? I'm not differentiating between these. Okay. These are doing the same thing. I see. You feel like dissecting my game's code? Sure, I'll send it to you. On GitHub? I'll do it after stream, okay? How about that? Then you can rip it apart. Honestly, I need to rip it apart and put it back together. It's kind of all over the place right now. It's all kinds of jank, but... Ugh. This is the problem. You're going to sleep? Okay. Have a good night. When you wake up, you'll have a DM with all of my trash code. Yeah, I think I need to probably also do a throw gun. We're gonna do throw gun. And then we're going to pass. Yes. Wait. If Git has gone. Otherwise. Okay. No. For this alt, I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna put that back there. Get rid of this function. Because I don't need it. We're gonna put this here, and we're gonna do if has gone. And then we're gonna do, okay, if Git has gone and no, wait, did we always want to throw gun? Every time here. We want to do throw gun. And then in the pistol script, we want to do else if underscore fire type equals fire type dot throw gun. And then we want to throw the gun. We just want to do this. Throw pistol, perfect. And this should check if we have the bullet and then have everything just... Should work. I think. Okay, Unity's bugging out, that's fine. Yes, okay, so it does work. Good. Okay, kind of. It kind of works. And then bugs out last second. Ugh, why? Why doesn't it bounce? Why are you being so weird? Let's go to this definition. Okay. Throw pistol instance. I'll allow it. This time, alright? This time. You do. Good, 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 good. Why isn't it bouncing? It should be bouncing. I think it's this method that's broken. So it should bounce to can fire. The only reference to that is here. We're setting can fire, it has bullet. And then bouncing isn't working? That's really weird. Because it really should be. Oh, come on. this. Okay, there we go. That's weird. Why isn't bouncing working? What? Okay, let's go to this definition. Should bounce. Should bounce. Okay, and then bouncing, it just... If we have bounce, then set it to the ground object. If we should bounce... This isn't working. I'm gonna print this. Just check it. Bounced. Time to go to Egypt? Your levels seem pretty random. And I think it's very funny. Like, there was the, what is it called? Like, the soccer tabletop game? How am I blanking this? Not billiards. Soccer tabletop game. What are you called? No. Foosball. That's what it's called. Foosball. You got a foosball level. That's neat. Okay. I think I'm actually going to end stream a bit earlier today. I have some other stuff I have to get done for college, and I didn't get much sleep. My brain is frying in real time, so I think I'm going to head out for the night, but thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you for staying to the end, and I hope you have a fantastic day. And Darth, I will send you it. Okay. It's called Foosball. Foosball table is the most unique fight. Yeah, I think it's definitely interesting. Thank you for showing it. Okay. Have a good night, guys. Bye!